This is interesting. Just looking at the US dollar index, this is the monthly chart as well, so it's very long term. The DXY is in this sort of range and periodically pops out of it, under and over. What we can see here, I've just drawn a Fibonacci retracement to cover the range, and we can see it does seem very valid. The 1.168 conforms perfectly with the peak here. And we can see it bounces pretty consistently. The 0.318 down here and the 50% fib, these lines do keep holding. So at the moment, this is quite a big technical indicator. If we zoom in a bit, yeah, we can see. So again, this is a monthly chart, so it's very long term. But as long as we're holding within this sort of zone, that's a good indicator as to where we're going to go. And if we can break through the 50, you're probably going to be looking at maybe a test of the 618 rejection back down to the 50 and a move up. But you also got to consider if the dollar starts getting stronger and moves higher and just goes straight through these levels. This is a long-term trend line anyway, and it conforms perfectly with the 0.786 fib. It's probably dollars off to the moon, I suspect, at least up to the 1.68 again. So that's certainly something to consider in the long term. Unfortunately, my chart doesn't go back far enough, but I won't be surprised if the peak from here back in the 80s was somewhere around this level here as well, which would conform perfectly with the 2.618. Yeah.